Load release hitches are going to be utilized in tandem belay systems and in the hub of our hauling systems if we're using an RPH. Load release hitches typically are 10 or 11 mil rope. Some of the manufacturers now are selling them as 9 mil rope. You want to start with roughly a 30-foot section of rope. You're going to tie an overhand or some type of finish knot on the end just to connect the tails and give yourself a stop point. Once that knot is in place, you're going to play all the rope back up to the bight at the top of the rope. Take that bight, flip it into your carabiner. For a load release hitch, it's imperative that you use general rated hardware, or carabiners I should say, and that you use a configuration that will accommodate a double munter. From here, you're going to create a loop and put your double munter in. Attach your appropriate carabiner with the large opening into the munter. From here, it works best to get these arranged in the appropriate size. You need 3 to 5 wraps once you begin wrapping the LRH. And to keep it condensed and packaged tightly and neatly, you can flip the munter through, walk it all the way up until it basically touches the other carabiner. From there, you're going to pull a little bit of tension on the rope and you're going to pull down until it pops through. Once it pops through, you're set to begin your coils. Take the rope straight up and begin wrapping. Make sure that when you wrap, you keep your coils nice and tight and straight. Once you have all 5 coils in, pull down on the whole system to compress the coils, buy yourself a little bit of margin, and then push both segments of tail through that top end bight, forming another bight. Do not pull the tail of the rope all the way through. Just create a bight that is large enough for you to tie an overhand safety. Before I tie my overhand safety, I'll rotate all these coils to make sure that they're as tight as possible and pull each independent leg through. Once there, bring the rope all the way around itself. And when you set your overhand safety, again, pull each leg independently. Load release hitch. When we rig these in at the anchor points, we always ensure that the double munter is the portion that's rigged at the anchor plate and the single pass-through is the element going to the load.